This is a cohort of learners where there's a need to have a photo and a signature attached to each registration. This has been possible in Quartz for quite a while using the Add Image button, but up till now it had been necessary to scan the photo and the signature into individual files and have these on the PC or on the network, and then to attach them using this button. But it's now possible to scan directly from the scanner and attach the photo and the signature to a registration. So if I click Add Image as before, this displays this screen. Now it's still possible to add simply a photograph or simply a signature, and it's possible to do that from a file by using the Read Image from File option, picking either photograph or signature and then clicking OK. But we're going to look at the Scan Image Directly from Scanner option, which is here. So I'm going to click on that, pick a scanner. Now what appears depends on which type of scanner you have attached to your PC, and I happen to have an Epson. And on here I set various parameters and then click Scan. And we see the scanned application form in a kind of preview mode here, and I click Finish. And now, as I say, had I brought in either directly from the scanner or from a file here, from the scanner there, a photograph, I would leave that set to photograph and click OK. If I had either read in or scanned in a signature, I would select this and click OK. But in this case, I've got an application form that's got both a photograph here and a signature here on the scan. So I'll use this combined option. And when I click on that, I can see two boxes which can be moved and adjusted in size. One is used to locate the photo and the other is used to locate the signature. I'll move the first one to locate the photograph. Here's the photograph. And you see down in the bottom left hand corner, as I adjust this box, this is showing me exactly what will be cropped out of this image as the photo. And I'll bring this one down to where the signature is, the second box, and again adjust that like so. And now I can see that this is the photo that's going to be cropped out and this is the signature that's going to be cropped out. So I'll click OK. And now that's done that. So now Jeremy Owen has two documents attached. One will be the photo, one will be the signature, cropped from that image. Let's just look at his record. And we'll move to the Documents tab. And we'll see that Jeremy has two documents now attached, a photo ID image and a signature image. If we right click and do a View Document Content, have a quick look at that. There's his image, and then we do the same thing for the signature, and there it is. Now the first time we did that, we had to move the two boxes, the one for the photo and the one for the signature, into the right place and size them. But if you're using application forms where these two parts are in exactly the same place every time, then there's no need to do that every single time. Let's do the same process for Tia. And you'll see that this time the two components we're trying to pick off the image are already here, because the two boxes are already positioned exactly as I positioned them before. One down here, one here, positioned and sized. So I just need to click OK. And that's it. Tia's done. She has her two images. Going to Tia's document library, we see she has two images, just as Jeremy did. If we right click and view the content, that's the photo and that's the signature.